So last year, Robosen had middle-aged geeks like myself spooging ourselves into sticky comas over its excellent Optimus Prime robot. And in 2023, those brilliant boffins are back with the Optimus Prime Elite Core Edition, a 16-inch model boasting over 5,000 components. You got full voice and app control and original voice work from Peter Cullen. It's 16 inches of sheer joy that didn't come straight out of an Ann Summers catalogue. However, the 700 quid asking price means that this is one for serious enthusiasts only. Well, them and rich twats, I guess. So let's whip the Optimus Prime Elite Core Edition on out of his snazzy little box, see what he's really capable of, and for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! I still vividly remember begging my parents for a 15 quid Optimus Prime toy back in the day, so I certainly never expected to play with a £700 version, especially after turning 40. And there she blows. So it looks like old Optimus comes with his very own protective travel case, which is handy if you want to transport him anywhere. Got a couple of catches on the sides here to release him. And there he is, our boy in blue and red, and all the various accessories and other bits you need to get him going. So lots of bits packed in here, of course, including the robot itself. Wow, that is a bit of a beast. You've also got yourself one charging cable. We've got a wee box here which contains Prime's vents. Another wee box, this time containing a USB cable. And of course it's micro USB, just when I thought I was out for good. Inside of this separate wee box is Prime's axe and blaster. And then last up there's a bit of a quick start guide. And in fact, you not only have a quick start guide, you've also got a full-on user manual and, stickers. Alright, so here we have Optimus in his vehicular form. I've already fully charged him up. You can power him up by pulling down this little plate at the front here, and there's the charging port as well as the USB port. Micro USB. Curses! And when you're ready to play, all you need to do is press and hold this power button up top for 5 seconds.
Greetings, friend. I am Optimus Prime.
I'm sorry, I think I just need to go change my pants. And now all that needs to be said is, hey Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform. Badass! So Optimus is still rather sizable, as you can see. 16 inches is not to be sniffed at. And yet he's certainly more portable than the original Robosen Optimus Prime. He's more compact and roughly 30% lighter at 1.8 kilos. Optimus is constructed from an aluminium alloy frame. I absolutely love how he appears to be alive as well, even when he's in standby mode, like so. As you can see, it looks like he's breathing, just kind of hanging out, waiting for a bit of action to kick off, or just silently judging you with those piercing blue eyes. And the Robosen Elite Optimus Prime is constructed from over 5,000 individual components, including 27... Oh, okay. Wasn't expecting that. As I was saying, 5,000 individual components, including 27 servo motors, which are powered by 58 separate microchips. And moving parts include the legs, the hands, the wheels, the head, and the chest. Now, the Optimus Prime Elite Core Edition boasts over 150 original sounds and actions. And that iconic... We alright? Yeah? We cool? And Optimus's iconic voice is once again provided by the original dude, Peter Cullen. So basically, all I need is for this thing to belt out Stan Bush's The Touch at top f***ing volume and job done. Now, when he's not showing off by just randomly pausing, Optimus will respond to 39 separate voice commands. All you got to say is, hey Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
You get that little response, then you're good to go. So here's just a few little samples. Hey Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Calling.
Fate rarely calls upon us in a moment of our choosing.
So as you can see, lots of gesticulations, got a bit of dramatic music as well. Honor.
Corruption is never a path to freedom.
You tell him, mate. Decepticons.
Let's stop the Decepticons.
Okay, stop showing off, mate. Yeah, very good. This is Optimus in battle mode. He'll suck your gut, he will. ground-pound, yeah! And somewhat hilariously, he still really can't stand that Megatron's.
Megatron must be stopped, no matter the cost.
And Warman Optimus, being an absolute beefcake, can even do push-ups. And then, of course, not forgetting his awesome accessories, the blaster and the axe. They just slip into his fists like so. Let's get his axe in the other hand.
Fate rarely calls upon us in a moment of our choosing.
Oh, he's got such chills. So let's make him get all fighty.
Not let the Decepticons win the war. Freedom is the right of all sentient beings.
And as well as accepting all those voice commands and generally being a badass, Optimus Prime also can pair up with your smartphone using Bluetooth. All you've got to do is download the Robosen app from the Google Play Store. I believe it's also available in the Apple App Store, and then go to connect.
Complete.
As you can see, it literally takes a second. And once you're all hooked up, you are actually treated in this main menu to the original cartoon theme tune, which I would love to belt out a bit of it for you right here and now, except I'll get a copyright claim right up the arse. No booze money for Uncle Spurt, which would be very sad indeed. But anyway, here in the app you can get Optimus to do various actions, just as you could with the voice commands. These include regular actions and combat actions as well, where you have to stick the gun and the axe on. Or if you want to, you can just take direct control of Optimus Prime using the remote control feature.
Let's go.
Not the swiftest mover, has to be said. You've got a couple of different actions you can perform, so let's get the gun on the go. You can also get him to wave his wee axe around the place. Choppy chop. And there's also a section in here labelled missions. And this basically just leads you through creating your very own Optimus Prime actions. You just got to mirror exactly what happens on screen with the actual model. So let's try the first one.
Customize your arsenal.
All we need to do is mimic this pose. So arm out and spread the old legs a bit.
That was too easy.
Then he pulls another pose, you need to mimic that, and so on. Basically just keep on going until you've completed them all. And then when you're done, you can press play and it'll perform that action.
Autobots, it's time to take a stand. Congratulations.
And basically there's 15 of these little mini mission things to complete if you want to. Otherwise, the Elite Optimus Prime also supports coding, including a bit of block coding, as you can see right here. You got the likes of 3D software programming coming soon too, so it's educational, mum. Go on, get us one for Christmas. Now, Optimus Prime is powered by a 1200 mAh capacity battery. Takes just under an hour to fully charge using the bundled adapter, and about the same length of time to fully drain if he's going non-stop. Here in the UK, you'll be able to grab one from Game, from House of Fraser, and from Sports Direct. Presumably that Ashley fella found a box that fell off a lorry or something. So yeah, he ain't cheap, but he has a serious slice of 1980s nostalgia nerdfest action, and I think I might be in love. Hey Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Are we friends?
You are my friend.
Oh, thanks buddy. So it'd be great to hear what you think of the Optimus Prime Elite Core Edition down in the comments below. Please do poke, subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech. And have yourselves a really wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone. Love you. Roll out.
Let's
Oh, Jesus.